Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year. Welcome to a wonderful year of 2024. This year is going to be a very great year for all of us. Now, if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification post so that you'll be the first to know whenever I make a post, because this 2024 I'll be giving us updates on every legal matters. Okay, for those of you who do not know me, my name is Citizenship By Gift. I'm a lawyer and the founder of the Legal Critic. Now, what do we do in the Legal Critic? We criticize the law, we analyze the law, we evaluate, and we also give our own opinions when it has to do with things pertaining to the law. Stay tuned as I bring you today's episode of the Legal Critic. Bye. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be talking about citizenship by registration. The reason why I'm going to be talking about citizenship by registration is because in my previous post where I discussed extensively about citizenship, someone commented on the post requesting that I go ahead to state the requirement and process of obtaining citizenship by registration. I'm going to tag the person though, but if you've not watched my previous video, I think you should go ahead and watch them so you understand, because I will not be dwelling on citizenship as a whole in this video, because the purpose of this video is just to clarify the person that wants to obtain citizenship by registration. A citizen is a person that enjoys or has rights and also responsibility as a member of a country or a nation. You know, citizenship is a relationship between an individual and also a nation, where the individual has an allegiance to the nation. The nation on its own hand protects that individual. There are three major ways you can acquire citizenship according to the 1999 Constitution. And the citizenship I mean here is citizenship of Nigeria. So you can acquire citizenship by birth, that if your parents or any of your parents are from Nigeria and they gave birth to you either in Nigeria or outside Nigeria. You can also acquire citizenship by what? Registration. You can acquire citizenship by registration. That is the one I'll be talking extensively on today. The third one is citizenship by naturalization. So before I go into the business of the day, I would like to explain to you some of the functions of a citizen. Some of the functions of a citizen is, first, you have to respect the Nigerian flag, the Nigerian anthem. A citizen of Nigeria has to pay good respect and homage to the Nigerian flag and the Nigerian anthem. Respect also to your fellow citizen. A citizen of Nigeria has a duty to pay good ideals and respect to the constitution of the land. A citizen of Nigeria has to report anybody that he or she witnesses committing a crime. It's a duty on your part as a citizen, where you see someone committing a crime, to report to the appropriate authority. A citizen of Nigeria has the obligation and duty to respect and maintain law and order. Citizenship by registration occurs in two ways. First of all, if you're born outside Nigeria and your grandparents, either of your grandparents, are citizens of Nigeria, you can only become a citizen of Nigeria by registration. That's when you're registered as a Nigerian citizen. The next other way of acquiring citizenship by registration is for a woman that is married to a Nigerian citizen. So if you're a woman and you're married to a Nigerian citizen, then you can acquire citizenship by registration. For instance, the newly engaged couple, Moses Bliss, that got engaged, or let me say that is about to get married to his Ghanaian spouse. So that lady, if she wants to be a Nigerian citizen, she can only be a Nigerian citizen by virtue of the fact that she got married to a Nigerian man, and it's only by a way of registration. The Constitution is silent on who initiates the process of acquiring citizenship. However, the Constitution placed some conditions that must be fulfilled before someone can be given a certificate of registration or before someone can be registered as a Nigerian citizen. One of the conditions is that the person must be of a good character. The person must have created or expressed intention to be domiciled in Nigeria, meaning the person must have gotten some properties in Nigeria, maybe have 1 or 2 businesses in Nigeria that him and his family they already established. In that way, the president will be aware that this person intends to live in Nigeria permanently. The third reason or the third condition is that the person must have taken the oath of allegiance. This is very important, and the constitution says that it is upon this fulfillment of this condition that the president can issue a certificate for citizenship. Okay, now let's move to the requirements and procedure of acquiring citizenship by registration. First, in Nigeria, if you want to acquire citizenship by registration, they won't bring the certificate to your house. You that wants the citizenship will have to go to either the Nigerian Immigration Service or Minister of Interior. These are the 2 places you go to. Then when you go there, you tell them you want a form, you want to fill a form that will obtain you citizenship by registration, or you want to register yourself as a citizen of Nigeria. You'll be given a form, you fill the form, you have to certify the form. You take the form to either a magistrate, a notary public, or a commissioner for oaths. They will notarize the form after filling it with your passport attached on it and your signature. Maybe if you're a married woman that wants to acquire citizenship by virtue of the fact that your husband is a Nigerian, you go with your marriage certificate. Of course, you know it's very important to show that you're actually married to this person. You go with the NIN of your husband. You go with your own country ID card, either international passport or of your own country, signifying the country you're coming from. Also note that the marriage certificate we are talking about is not the traditional marriage, or pictures will not suffice. The marriage certificate has to be marriage under the act, either the one given to you by the accredited church or either the one given to you by courts. So it must have this Nigerian coat of arms on it, and must be given from the government, like from under the Marriage Act. It must be those ones given under the Marriage Act that is valid and eligible for application for citizen by registration through a married woman. After filling the form, you have to wait for 60 days for the government to do a background check to be sure that the information you submitted are all accurate. And where your form is approved after background check, you will be given a certificate and your name will be registered as someone who is now a citizen of Nigeria through registration. One of my reservations of this section with respect to citizenship by registration is that there was no provision as per those men that got married to Nigerian citizens that are women. Those men that got married to women who are Nigerian citizens and they also want to maybe become a Nigerian citizen, what will be their fate? For instance, if a Ghanaian or some other of this African country gets married to a Nigerian woman and wants to become a Nigerian citizen, what will be the procedure? Because the constitution only made provision for women. I think this thing is discriminating, and I also think that this constitution should be amended to at least add men that intends to be a citizen of Nigeria. Of course, there are some little African countries that might want to be a citizen of Nigeria. In that way, they will not be left alone because the constitution, which is the ground norm, did not provide for citizenship of that nature. However, those kind of men can also opt for citizenship by naturalization. I think this section is ambiguous and needs to be clarified so as to make people understand and know their options if they want to go for registration, maybe for naturalization. I think that particular section is stereotyped and needs to be amended. Alright guys, it has been a lovely time and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is actually my first video for the year and I hope to bring you more. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and please turn on your notification post so you'll be the first to know when I create content, because in this 2024 I'll be bringing you amazing legal content. Stay tuned. I love you guys. Bye.